Hello, welcome to Coffee Techniques. Today, we are fixing an Ulka pump. As you can see, it don't pump up the water, so we cannot make any coffee. We have to take the pump apart to see what is wrong. Loosen the two screws to remove the pump part from the solenoid coil. Once you have loosened the pump part, you can take the pump apart using the bayonet lock. Be careful when taking it apart. Parts may fall out. There are two small balls in the pressure chamber. We're just taking this one out. There is also a small O-ring in the pressure chamber. Remove it as well. The O-ring should be soft and flexible. As you can see, the O-ring has become hard and can no longer seal properly. There is also a small spring in the pressure chamber. Remove this as well. After the pressure chamber has been cleaned, you can put everything back together. We start by putting the small spring back, then the small bowl and the new O-ring. Now we can test the pressure chamber with the plastic plate and the plunger by wetting the plunger and then pushing it into the hole and moving it back and forth. We can hear and feel that the O-ring closing properly, and that pressure is building up in the pressure chamber. The test was successful. We can continue to assemble the pump. Now we are at the bayonet fitting, and here is the lug that goes into the slot. This is the slot where the lug goes into. The pump part is back together. Now we are going to place the pump's solenoid coil over the plunger chamber. You can screw the pump to the solenoid coil with the two screws. As you can see, the pump is from 2009. It is now 2024. Now it's going to be exciting. Let's hope the pump works. Luckily, the pump works again. You see, we don't have to buy a new pump for about $40, but we're able to solve it with a simple O-ring for about $2. If you enjoyed and learned something and are happy with this video, you can also make me happy by subscribing and liking. This pump is found in most espresso machines, such as Quick Mill, Gaggia, VBM, and many others.